Hi, this is P.R. Sundar. It is a fact that most of the people lose money in stock market. Of course, social media is different. Many people make money in social media. We don't know whether they make money in real stock market or not. But the fact is that more than 99% of the traders lose money in stock market. I thought I do a series of videos, what is going wrong, where is the mistake, and how you can become profitable. So this video is the first in the series, and the first question many people ask me, sir, how do you know more than 99% people lose money in stock market? And there is this broking company called Zerodha, which is supposed to be number one broking company in India. They have largest number of traders, and many times you can see that they do not allow you to buy far out of the money options. Why? Because there is an exchange rule that one broker should not control more than 15% of the open interest. And because Zerodha is a popular broker, and soon they exhaust that limit. So that shows that very clearly that number one broker is Zerodha. Few years before, to develop their business, they came up with some good ideas, and one of them is called Zerodha 60-day challenge. If you are a trader, you click on that 60-day challenge. From the day you click, the 60 trading sessions. In this 3 months period, as long as you are making even 1 rupee profit, even if you put 1 crore capital and you make 1 rupee profit, still you are considered as a winner. As long as you are not losing money, as long as you are making even 1 rupee profit, you are considered as a winner. They used to give a certificate called P.R. Sundar, Zerodha 60-day challenge winner, like that. And not only that, they used to refund the brokerage amount. And not only that, they used to put the trader's photo and 60-day challenge winner, like that, in their website. At one point of time, I don't remember exactly, about 2 to 3 years before, and they claim that they have 2 lakh active traders under Zerodha. And I assume that they are exaggerating by 100%. And I assume that they have at least 1 lakh active clients. And I used to watch their website. Roughly about 1,000 people have got that certificate from Zerodha. Out of 1 lakh traders, although they claim that 2 lakh traders, if I assume that what they say is true, 2 lakh traders, 1,000 people get the certificate, which is only 0.5%. I assume that their active client is 1 lakh, and even then 1,000 people winning is only 1% of the total traders. That's number one. Number two, once you click, let us say in the month of January, February, March, 160-day challenge is over. So they'll give P.R. Sundar 60-day challenge winner one time. Then again I can go and click second time in the month of April. April, May, June, if I win once again, they'll give another certificate, P.R. Sundar 60-day challenge winner 2 times, like that. And everything they used to update in their website. And of course, later, I think due to some regulatory changes, regulatory requirements, they have removed that website. When I used to watch, and I used to see roughly about 1,000 people winning one time, roughly about 300, 400 people winning 2 times, roughly about 100, 150 people winning 3 times, and it is only less than 100 people winning 4 times. A person winning Zerodha for 4 times means, assuming that he has done continuously, so that means for the last 1 year, he has been consistently profitable. How much profit? You forget it. Is profitable. That is only less than 100 out of a minimum of 1 lakh active traders. That is less than 0.1%. And even recently, Zerodha CEO has written an article where he has mentioned that it is less than 1% of the people who make more than FD return in the long run. And I'm sure these people have the access to the data. This is not coming from XYZ. He is the CEO of a largest broking company and he has got the data for the traders. How many people make profit, how many people lose money. And not only that, few days before, there was another company, Fire, and its CEO has tweeted 90% of the new traders lose 90% of the capital in the first 90 trading sessions. And that is the fact. Okay, now checking the facts is one thing. Now let us come to our important agenda. And let me ask you one question. There is a college where 99% of the people fail. Would you like to put your son or daughter into that college? The answer is surely no, right? Then the same logic should apply to stock market. Why are you coming to the stock market? By knowing very clearly that more than 99% people lose money in stock market. And let me give you one real life story. And I met one of my friends who has studied in my school days, my classmate. And after so many years, and I asked him what is he doing. And he said he's working in an insurance company, government insurance company. His wife is a government teacher. So they both are getting government salary. They were very happy. And he asked me what I am doing. I said I am doing stock market. And I told him, why don't you come to stock market? And he said, Sundar, are you stupid? I am working with government. My wife is also working with government. We both getting government salary. And why to take risk? Stock market is a risky place. Then I said, if that is your wish, you can go ahead. No problem. And 3 years later, and he called me and he said, Sundar, I have 25 lakh rupees with me. You teach me how to trade in stock market. And I want to make money from stock market. And I said, you told me I am stupid. You said you are working in government. Why do you want to come to stock market now? Then he said, Sundar, that's a great story. I was working in government insurance company. A private insurance company offered me with a double the salary. So I thought this is a very lucrative salary. I left the job, government job, and joined the private insurance company. Due to some internal politics, within 1 year they throw me out. Now I am jobless. And see Sundar, my wife is getting 50,000 salary. And now I am sitting with no income. So I will have no respect in my family. So please teach me stock market so that I can make at least 51,000 rupees. At least 1,000 rupees more than my wife. And I told him, I am not going to teach him. And he said, you are my good friend. Why you will not teach? Then I said, there is a time in your life you have to take risk. There is a time you should not be taking risk in your life. The time to take risk is when you are having a comfortable life. When you are having a comfortable life, you are getting 1 lakh salary, your wife is getting 50,000 salary, you are getting 1.5 lakh salary from the government, which is 100% safety. And that time, had you come to stock market, if you have lost 1 lakh or 2 lakh, it would not have been a big problem. It's a 2-month salary. But now being unemployed, and you don't want to lose your face in front of your wife, and you come in any business, in the beginning there may be some teething problem and you lose something that will demoralize you. And do you know when the largest number of demat accounts have been opened in India? It is during the coronavirus period. And because during the coronavirus period only, the people have problems in their life. Their salaries were reduced and they lost the job. When you are holding a job and you are having a regular income and you take a risk in stock market, you lose something also, you still can manage because you have a regular income. And once you lost the job and people are coming to stock market. I heard more than 1 crore new demat account has been opened since the corona period. And soon most of them will be out of the market. So take risk when you are comfortable. Don't take risk when you are uncomfortable in your lifetime. So that's the number one golden rule. Number two, this is the field where 99% of the people lose money. So you ask yourself, what makes you to feel that you are top 1%? In what way you are different from other people? What way you think that you are better than the rest of the people who are coming to the stock market? If you cannot get the answer, better don't come. Otherwise, you will come and lose money. So, let me tell you once again, categorically, stock market is the place where 99% of the traders lose money. Unless you think you have good skill and unless you think you have a good capital, then this is not the place for you. And sometimes by sheer luck, one or two people may win, but that is not the standard rule. In movie field also, Rajinikanth get 100 crore salary, Amir Khan getting 100 crore salary. They are exceptional cases. But not everybody can become Rajinikanth or Amir Khan. And most of the people in movie field, they are struggling in their life. So the same way, in stock market also, most of the people are really struggling. And the stock market greatest strength is that it makes everyone believe that he is an intelligent. And soon it shows that everyone is a stupid. Then one may ask a logical question. Trading is a zero-sum game. Then if 99% people lose money, that means the remaining 1%, they take away all the money from these 99 people. So, the fact is that 1% of the people take away the losses of all the remaining 99 people. So, that means those people must be really making very good money. Sir, why not if I become a skillful person, if I become the top 1%, can I make huge profit? And let me tell you very clearly, that is also not correct. So the reason I will explain in my next video called Zero Sum Game. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.